Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to look at memories on Snapchat. So for that, open the Snapchat application first and then get logged in into the account of yours. Now once you have been logged in, what you need to do is, once you're at this camera section page, you just need to swipe off from your camera screen in Snapchat to open memories. There's nothing else you need to do it. So this is a way how you can see memories on Snapchat. Within the memories section of the app, you can swipe right to see the saved story over here, then your camera roll, then stories, and the option my eyes only. These are all the memories of your Snapchat account. So this is a way how you can easily look at memories on Snapchat. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.